It's called the Dodge Body in White, but really it's more like the Dodge Body in Weight. If you haven't heard the news, Dodge will be offering a build-it-yourself Challenger kit car for grassroots drag racers and anyone else who wants to build their own supercar. Instead of paying full price for a pre-assembled Challenger, you can now buy it in pieces, with the hopes of saving a few bucks or adding a few horsepower. See, 2023 is the final year of the V8 Challenger. After that, the iconic muscle car is set to receive a completely new generation that will begin the transition to all-electric performance. This means the Mopar community is about to experience a major loss, and Dodge wants to commemorate the HEMI V8 era with a few special send-off projects. This includes limited edition models like the Challenger Shakedown and a do-it-yourself IKEA-style component car. These kits will be sold under Dodge's Direct Connection division, an OEM performance catalog that sells just about everything you would need to outrun a Mustang. The cheapest package that you can start with is named the Dodge Body in White, and like the name suggests, it is literally just a Dodge Challenger body, stripped down to its most basic form. Although they do offer the option to choose between the current production paint colors, so it doesn't actually have to be white. As the website says, this is for the enthusiast that is looking for a blank canvas. It's an affordable foundation for those who wish to build a current generation Dodge Challenger before it goes out of production. From the basic body in white, you can option out your kit with a few of the parts you'll need to build a drivable car. This includes an interior kit and bucket seats, an extensive suspension and steering rack kit, the front and rear bumper, an NHRA certified roll cage, and of course, a few crate engines to choose from. I'm just saying, if you wanted to put an LS in this, technically they couldn't stop you. But the big Papa Challenger kit is named the Drag Pak. This is a more complete rolling chassis kit, which comes pre-installed with all the drag racing basics. From a chromoly tubing TIG-welded roll cage to specially tuned Bilstein coilovers, and even a set of powerful racing brakes. The only thing it's missing is a black ice scent tree on the dashboard. Oh, and the powertrain, of course.
Straight from the factory, certified 750 roller, ready for any power combo you want to put in it.
The Drag Pak has actually been around for quite a few years, but this is the first time it's being sold as a kit. Its roots trace all the way back to 2009, although it's always been sold in small quantities. The fourth generation, as an example, was limited to just 50 cars, which arrived pre-built. But now, anyone with the cash and a couple wrenches can have one, guaranteeing they'll be able to race on, even after the V8 is officially retired. Dodge has also offered to help retrofit old Drag Pak models to meet current NHR safety standards and keep dominating the strip. With so much potential out there, different Challenger builds are obviously going to have different prices. The body in white starts at $7,995. Add the paint option and that jumps to $9,995. If you want a roll cage installed with your body, well, now you're looking at over 22 grand. By the time you've worked your way through all the options and decided to stomach the Drag Pak kit assembly charge, well, you'll be starting to creep closer to that six-figure mark. And you're still gonna need an engine for it. So on a theoretical level, if you start with just the body in white, you could spend a little less than the stock Challenger you'll find at dealerships. But if you want to do a proper sub 10-second build, well, you're gonna end up paying a whole lot more. And it's important to note that since these are component builds offered through a parts catalog, they won't have VINs and aren't intended for street use. Well, legal street use at least. Hey, if you like component cars, muscle cars, any cars, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss my next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace.